shoot me? That's a fucking good gun. Shot me twice. That's a good fucking... Are you... What the fuck?
Is he aiming?
Yeah, he's aiming. But the way he's aiming, it's like... Not aiming at me. It's just...
Firing?
Finally, I hit him.
Out of ammo. Using them with surrounding
Follow
you.
me, boys. I'm gonna show you something.
Is it me? Oh, is it me?
No.
I can't do that. Said you can't do that.
He didn't say nothing.
Cheating. Come up to my base.
Oh!
Look at my eyes closed.
I hit him dead in his eye.
That's a good gun.